Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a sea pickle farm in Minecraft. Sea pickles are a unique light source and decorative block found in warm ocean biomass. They grow in clusters, up to 4 on a single coral block, and are a fun item to collect. Building a farm makes gathering them much more efficient for all your crafting and decorating needs, providing a steady supply. To begin your pickle farm, you'll need to gather some key materials. Coral blocks are essential, as sea pickles only grow on them. You can find these in warm ocean biomass. Bone meal is also crucial for speeding up the growth process, allowing for quick harvests. Finally, water buckets are necessary to establish and maintain the underwater conditions required for your farm. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. It really supports the channel. And speaking of long gaming sessions, remember to stay hydrated. I highly recommend the Oala water bottle to keep your drinks cold and refreshing. Check the description below for a link to the Oala bottle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's build the farm structure. Start by placing your coral blocks in a grid pattern underwater. It's important to ensure a water source block is directly above each coral block to create the ideal growing conditions. Below your coral, set up a collection system using hoppers leading into chests. This will automatically gather all your harvested sea pickles. To make your farm even more efficient, consider automation. Dispensers, loaded with bone meal, can be set up to automatically apply it to your coral blocks, rapidly growing the sea pickles. Pistons can then be used to push the grown clusters directly into your hopper collection system. Connect these components with simple redstone circuitry for a fully automated and productive pickle farm.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.